Did you know the only Roman emperor ever captured alive met the most horrifying fate in the history? In 260 CE, Emperor Valerian marched into Persia to crush their rebellion, but Persian king Shapur I had other plans. During peace talks, Shapur tricked Valerian into a trap. The mighty Roman emperor was seized and dragged away in chains. Rome was stunned. Their ruler was now a prisoner. But this was just the beginning of Valerian's nightmare. Shapur used the emperor of Rome as his personal footstool. Whenever the Persian king mounted his horse, Valerian was forced to kneel down so Shapur could step on his back. The most powerful man in the world became a human stepping stone. When Valerian finally died, Shapur wasn't finished humiliating Rome. He had the emperor skinned alive, then stuffed his hide with straw. This gruesome trophy was displayed in a Persian temple for centuries. Every visitor could see the skin of Rome's emperor hanging like a hunting prize. It was the ultimate insult to Roman power and a warning to future enemies.